Hi, my name is Scott Cook, and I want to give you our testimonial on tax advantages on a home-based business. This past year for 2011, myself and Darcy started to file our tax returns, and it looked like we owed the government almost $8,000. Typically, when we do our returns, we're usually about break even, or we're actually get a little bit of a return. This year, unfortunately, it looked like we were owing the government a lot of money. We sat down with the accountant and realized that we didn't include Kivana at this time. And for some reason, we just didn't include that in the filings. So we actually looked at the Kivana business and looked at all the opportunities we had during that year and added them to our taxes and ended up with a $8,000 tax savings for this year. It was a phenomenal opportunity for us. We went from a deficit of over $5,000 we owed the government, and now we actually got a return for $3,000. So if you're ever interested in a home-based business and taking advantage of 422 tax deductions for businesses and self-employed individuals, this is the way to go.